Hi! In front of me is CUBOT P50 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to click on Audio Recorder app and select Allow in all of the pop-ups. I already did that, so I can click on this red button right away to start my recording. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, you can do that by tapping on the same button. In order to delete it right away, choose this bin icon on the left and click on OK. In this case, yes, in the pop-up. And in order to end it and save it, click on this square button. Now you can name your recording however you wish to, if you wish to, and tap on Save. In order to find it, you need to tap on those three lines and tap on the chosen one to play it. If you wish to delete it from here, you can do that by choosing this bin icon and clicking on Yes, or tapping on those three dots, selecting Delete at the bottom and confirming your choice in the pop-up as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!